Good morning, everybody. Just doing a quick video to show you the setup that I would pick if I could just pick just one. I'm going to be doing a webinar on this and one more setup tomorrow evening at 7 p.m. So if you want more info on the webinar, you can go to www.easyeMinitrade.com. It's really interesting how all of a sudden I'm getting emails from many people asking if I could just pick one setup, what would it be? And so that's what I'm going to show you right now and why I like this one. So here are a bunch of charts on the NQ. I just picked the NQ. You can use any instrument, any time frame, tick frame, range frame, whatever you like. So here I have a 2-minute chart up on the top left, 5-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 30-minute chart, and 60-minute chart. And I like to put the previous day's high, low, and close on it, and I've got the pivot point on here, you know, whatever you guys like to use. But I like it because it's almost a no-brainer. Basically, we're looking for a close below the dots that I have on or on my chart here, or a close above, and you simply get in. So I say it's almost a no-brainer because there are areas that I still try to avoid, and I'll go over all my criteria during the webinar tomorrow night. But here it is on the 2-minute chart. Closes below, boom, it goes. Closes above, goes. You can also see how it holds, those dots hold as support. I've got the 50% fib retracement on here as well. But you can see also how these dots hold as support. And then here on the 5-minute chart, breaks, goes, breaks. Doesn't really go very far. This one actually wouldn't have triggered. Here, this one wouldn't have triggered. 15-minute chart, same here. This is pre-market this morning. Actually, this is late last night, but you can see it holding as support here. So that's on time-based chart. Here it is on a tick chart. Here's a 633 tick chart. Close above. That one actually didn't trigger. Right here, goes. Here, goes. So depending on how you manage your trade, you could ride this for a really long way. I mean, you could use these dots to trail with. That's what they're for generally, but we've made a better use for them. And then here it is on a larger tick chart. This is a 1597. You can see again holding as resistance. Breaks it, goes. This one actually wouldn't have triggered. This one would have triggered, and then so on. So that's a couple reasons why I like this setup. We call it the Slinky. Crazy name, but you know, got to get crazy every now and then. So I hope that helps. And if you want more info on the setup, it's in the ebook, but if you want more info on the setup, I'll be going over, like I said, my criteria, the settings, the indicator, and that will be tomorrow night at 7. So I hope to see you there, and you can go to my website and choose the webinar tab, and you'll get all the information there. Have a great day, everybody.